Hello and welcome to this week's Veg Hack, which today is all about watermelons and in particular the mini watermelons. So watermelons are a great snack just as they are in the summertime, but they work really well in savoury dishes with feta, mint and sumac as like a salad, or grilling. The smokiness works really well with the sweetness. But today I'm going to show you something completely different that hopefully you haven't seen before. It smells amazing. So the recipe I'm going to show you today is watermelon sashimi. Now we all know the texture of watermelon when it's raw, it's light, it's crisp and it's fresh, but the process I'm going to show you in cooking today really transforms it into something so similar to like a tuna steak, and it really is quite incredible. Watermelons have around 90% water content, so the way we're going to really slowly roast them today will reduce all of that and it will completely change the texture inside. And it does actually work better with the mini watermelons because the pips are smaller and it concentrates the flavour better. It also takes a lot less time. So first thing we're going to do is peel the watermelon with a knife just to remove all of the skin, and then we're going to put it on a tray with a bit of baking parchment and roast it at 190 degrees for about 2 hours. And every half an hour we're just going to turn it onto another side so it evenly cooks. Whilst that's in the oven, we're going to make a little marinade from it using garlic, tahini, lime, soy sauce, sesame oil and some tomato puree, and we're just going to blend it in to a smooth paste. You could add ginger, chili, seaweed flakes, any other Japanese flavours work really well in this marinade. So this has come out of the oven now. It's been in for about 2 hours and we've just turned it every half an hour. You can see the sugars have really caramelised. It looks a bit dark, but trust me, that's what it's supposed to look like. And now all we're going to do is brush it with the marinade and then toast it again for another 10 minutes in the oven. You want to give it a really nice amount of this marinade so it gives it loads of flavour, and you can do this and leave it overnight in the marinade if you want to do it the day before. Is that my good angle? I've done the final roast with the marinade on in the oven today, but it works really well grilled on a barbecue to give it that extra smoky flavour, and I'm just going to serve it as a really simple snack with a wedge of lime, some chopped coriander and some toasted sesame seeds. But if you want to try making sushi, it's great on that, or serving it with noodles as a whole meal. So this has come out of the oven now. You can see the marinade has just stuck to the watermelon there. I'm just going to brush it with a little bit more of the glaze. And you can see the texture's completely changed now. And it smells amazing. And that's it, that's the complete dish. It's completely transformed the watermelon and it looks like it could be a piece of meat or a piece of fish, and it tastes incredible. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it and give it a go at home because it is something completely different. And if there's anything else you want to see us cook, talk about or prepare, then leave a comment below. If you like this video, then like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more weekly veg hacks.